Hello, Env420! Welcome to week 3! Congratulations, you have made it to week 3. Now, this week, deep breaths. It's a break week, which is good, okay? If you still owe me from a previous week, please talk with me. Let's get it in. I want you to practice the materials, okay? Now, this week runs just like all your other weeks. You've got a couple of quizzes. Please make sure that you're getting those done. Do not just leave points on the table. And let me know if you're having trouble with that. And also, you've got your discussions. As before, as always, primary post due by Thursday. And then your 2 replies by Monday. Please don't push everything off. If you're having trouble, I'm not unreasonable, but it's really a disservice to you and your classmates if you push everything off till Monday night. Okay? Now, in terms of your preparation for week 4's presentation, this is a narrated presentation. You must use your own voice, no AI, no computers. Okay? This must be your voice on there. This is a really important skill for you to practice. I highly recommend using video because that will get you accustomed to talking to your computer, because if you're doing a teleconference with your mentees, now let's actually back up a little bit. Week 4 is going to be you, read that scenario, you talking to your juniors. These are fresh hires, maybe second day on the job, okay, about risks. And specifically about a Superfund site in your area, okay? Now, just imagine that you and your team are going to be working on that. These are junior people. These are just fresh out of college, okay? You have the seniority, okay? This is not a class project. This is literally you practicing to train people. We've all had to do it, okay? So practicing this now will help you become more efficient in the workspace, okay? You've got to inhabit that role of the senior environmental specialist or environmental scientist, okay? Now, again, I highly recommend using video. Minimum is the audio. Remember, PowerPoint presentations. These are not papers that you are writing and practicing and pretending to be Dr. Frankenstein and cutting it up into little pieces and smushing it into a PowerPoint. That is not how it works, okay? PowerPoints are visual. You must use graphics. I highly recommend pictures, okay? Find your local Superfund site. There's plenty of pictures of it online, I'm sure. If you're adventurous, run by it. Take some shots from the street. You'll be shocked where they are. You really will. Or at least you'll be surprised. Now, the other aspect of this is when you're researching it, there's going to be graphics on those pages. I highly recommend you taking screenshots of those, like the graphs and such, and putting those into your presentation. Those will help. Okay? PowerPoints, 3 to 4 bullet points per slide. Fragments of sentences. Let me say that again. Fragments of sentences. Do not have full sentences. Do not ever have a full paragraph. Okay, that is just bad form. Okay, I've seen plenty of them. I've seen plenty of people who should know better do it. Please don't. This is you telling an important story and training your junior people to be safe. Okay? Now, the other aspect of this is the narration. 30 seconds to 1 minute per slide. Your goal is about 12 to 15 minutes on this thing, okay? So that does not include your intro and outro slide, and your references. So don't just read us your references, just say, here they are, okay? But seriously, your averaging is about 12 to 15 minutes on this. Please don't go over 20 minutes. It is easy to do a half hour on this. You don't have that amount of time, okay? Shoot for 15. If you hit 12 to 15, you're good, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. There are ways to get this done. I know you can do it, all right? Cheers. And remember, risks are all around us. This is environmental risk of ocean level rise. Those stairs are being slowly devoured by the ocean. There's actually a spot back there that has a big old hole on that boardwalk. All right. Thanks again for being here. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.